Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell the Binance NFT. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the option of More. Now simply select it. And after that, scroll down until you find the option Binance NFT right here. Then simply select it. Now to sell the Binance NFT, go to My NFTs right here. Then here you will find the NFTs that you got, and if you don't have any, you will simply see something like this. And if you have the NFTs, simply tap onto one and tap onto Sell button to sell it. And that's it. This is how you can sell the Binance NFT on the Binance app. It is a very simple process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.